Hey guys, this is the second video of how to use the program that we're going to use, Notability, and how to get our notes into Notability. So start on your iPad, you'll see this blue tile with a pencil and a microphone. That's called Notability. We'll click that. You'll see my Notability is filled with notes from last year, and yours will be at some point as well. We are going to get our notes into Notability by downloading them from a shared Google Drive folder. Hit the download button, and we're going to go to Google Drive. First time you do this, you'll have to log in. I couldn't figure out how to log in without showing you my password. So these are all the folders I have. You'll show your folders. You'll see a shared folder that's called 7th grade math notes 2019 and 2020. Our first unit we're working on is integers, so I click on that. This is our first day of notes. It's usually going to have the day written on there or the date. So it shows me what the notes, create new note, and import that. And we'll import it and we hit open. It feels like a lot of clicks, but you will be able to do it pretty quickly once you get used to it. So here we go, a negative number, a positive number. I can start writing immediately onto the notes, and that's what we'll do to do this throughout class.